Hello everyone. So we'll be discussing chapter-wise solutions of previous year papers, IPMAT, CLAT and DUJAT. In this particular video, we'll be discussing about questions from IPMAT and we'll be discussing questions from these three chapters: percentages, profit loss discount and simple interest and compound interest. First of all, why we are dividing the questions chapter-wise? The best method to prepare is to learn the basics and practice the basics of the chapter and then return to the previous papers and see what type of questions were asked from those chapters and what was the difficulty level, if you are able to solve them or not. That's why we are dividing the questions chapter wise, so that you can practice efficiently and check your preparation. So if I talk about IPMAT 2020, IPM Rohtak asked three questions from these three chapters. IPM Rohtak asked three questions from these three chapters. If I talk about the sample paper, released by IPM Rohtak in 2020, they have asked four questions from these three chapters. If I go according to the previous pattern of these exams, I can expect that IPMAT Rohtak will ask 3 to 4 questions again from these three chapters in 2021. In 2021, we can expect that 3 to 4 questions will be asked from these three topics again. See, again, I'm telling you, we are not sure whether the number will be 3 to 4 questions or it can be more or it can be less as well. But if I go according to the previous pattern of the exam, you can expect 3 to 4 questions. So let's see what questions were asked and whether you are able to do them or not. Thank you. This question is from IPMAT 2020 sample paper released by IPM Rohtak. Question is from simple interest and compound interest. Let's read. Veena has to pay 2,460 to Sita 5 months later at 6% simple interest per annum. Okay, so what is 2,460? This is the amount that is to be paid back, and Geeta has to pay Sita the same amount, that is 2,460 at 7.5% SI per annum after certain months. So first of all, let me write down what all is given. Veena and Geeta, we are talking about these two girls and they have to pay back to Sita. Yes, what is the amount that both of them are returning? They are paying back 2,460 rupees. She is also paying 2,460 rupees. Okay, what is rate of interest for Veena? Rate of interest for Veena is 6% per annum, and rate of interest for Geeta is 7.5% per annum. What else is given? The time for which Veena is investing. She is investing for 5 months, and for the time which Geeta is investing, we do not know, so I am taking it as X months. Yes. If both took the same amount of loan means principal amount. The principal amount is same for both of them. So I am assuming it as rupees P and rupees P for both of them. Then Geeta paid loan after how many months? What we need to find out? The duration for which Geeta paid loan to C. That means we need to find the value of C. Amount is same for both of them. Yes. And principal is also same. If amount and principal both of them are same, that means simple interest will also be same. simple interest will also be same for both of them. Yes, because amount is, what is amount? Amount is principal plus simple interest. If amount and principal are same for both of that, that means simple interest will also be same for both of them. That means P, I am writing it for Veena. Simple interest is PRT upon 100. That means P, R is 6, time is 5 upon 100. I am not converting months into years. The reason being, the time for Gita is also in months only. P, R is 7.5 for Gita, into T is X months upon 100. If I solve this, P and T will get cancelled, 100 and 100 will get cancelled. Solving this, I will get X as 4 months. Solving this, I will get X as 4 months. Is there any option like this? Yes, definitely option B is there, which is our correct answer. Option B will be our correct answer. I hope you understood this. Thank you.